I am Dr. Diprin Sagai Sudarsan, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rogni College of Engineering and Technology, Palkulam, Kanyakumari. Today, I am going to discuss about the topic business, which comes under the subject entrepreneurship development, subject code MG8091. Before we deal inside the subject, we can see about the course outcome. After successful completion of the topic, the student should be able to demonstrate their plan to start a small enterprise business. A business is defined as an organization or enterprising entity engaged in commercial, industrial, or professional activities. Business can be for profit entities or they can be non-profit organization that operate to fulfill a charitable mission or further a social cause. Small enterprises. Small and medium enterprises SME have an important role to play in the present context given their greater resource use efficiency, capacity for employment generation, technological innovation, promoting intersectoral linkage, raising exports and developing entrepreneurial skills. Small enterprises locational flexibility is an important advantage is reducing regional imbalances. Micro, small and medium enterprises. Micro, small and medium enterprises accordance with the provision of micro, small and medium enterprises development MSMED Act 2006 are classified into classes: manufacturing enterprises, second one service enterprises. Classification of small scale industries SI based on the industry's production chain and service. Small scale industries can be classified as first one manufacturing industries, second one feeder industries, number three serving industries, number four ancillary to large industries, number five mining and quarrying. Characteristics of small scale industries SSI. A small scale unit generally a one man show. Capital investment is small and has fewer than 10 workers. Most probably it is located in rural and semi-urban area. The farms are organized as sole proprietorship. Compared to large unit, a small scale industrial unit has an lesser gestation period. The period after with the return non-investment starts. Small scale industry can be started anywhere based on the availability of the resource like raw material, labor, etc. It helps to promote balanced regional development and influx of job seekers from rural areas to cities. Objectives of small enterprises to eliminate the economic backwardness of rural and underdevelopment region in the country, to generate immediate and large scale employment opportunities, to reduce regional imbalance, to mobilize resources, capital, and skills and their optimum utilization, to ensure more equitable distribution of national income. National, national, national income. National income. Advantage of SSI, they create immediate and permanent employment at a relatively small capital cost. They meet a substantial part of increased demand for consumer goods, including mass consumption goals. They have a favorable capital output ratio. They facilitate mobilization of resources of capital and skills. SSI do not require heavy and costly infrastructure and machinery. Functional risk faced by small business. Investment risk, business risk, credit risk, market risk, liquidity risk, operational risk. Ownership structure. Small scale industry. It is classified into two types: individual, solo responsible, collective ownership. Again, collective ownership classified into three types: partnership firm, cooperative, and company. Again, company classified into two sectors: private company, public company. These are the systematic ownership structure. The main reference of this presentation is taken from the following textbooks: Donald F. Fracchio, Entrepreneur's Theory, Process and Practice; Kankai SS, Entrepreneurial Development. Thank you.